Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Brittany in northwestern France, and you're going to be witnessing some of the most beautiful beaches you have ever seen. We're going to take you to 4 different beaches today, and from east to west, they're Île de Bréhat, then Coz-Pors, then there's going to be a big jump over to the west to Plage des Amiets, and finally the farthest west is in fact Karreck Hir. The first beach we're going to visit is the Plage de Coz-Pors. The rock formations here are absolutely incredible. The closest town is called Trégastel, but there's another one called Plage de Karreck just a few miles away. Our second stop today is the Plage des Amiets. The closest town is Secluded, but the closest actual city is Morlaix in the northwestern part of Brittany. Most of the beaches here have a really strong tidal flow. You can see the sandbar here at high tide. It's about knee depth, and at low tide it's a good 8 feet above the ocean. Most of the beaches will be like this. Always good to check the tidal tables. For me, this was really interesting because it reminded me so much of the Seychelles with the clear water and these very distinct rock formations that we found in the Seychelles last year as well. The sand dunes were also amazing. And most of these beaches weren't even crowded at all. Overall, I think there are close to 600 or 800 beaches along this northern coast of Brittany. The third beach we're going to visit today is called Plage de Karreck Hir. Now, the nearest town is Guseni, but this name Karreck Hir really shows the influence of the Breton language, Breton, which is actually a Celtic language closest to Cornish or Welsh. Most of the towns up here still use their Breton name, and almost all signs are in both French and Breton. final stop today is the Île de Bréhat. Nearest town is Paimpol, and you can only get here by ferry boat. So check the tide tables. Sometimes it gets a little difficult going back because of the low tide, but just a really nice place to spend the day. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this trip to Brittany to discover some of the beautiful beaches that they have there. It was really unexpected for us. I didn't realize that the beaches were just this beautiful. The water is still cold, but it's absolutely worth a trip. Take care, and we'll see you next time.